Okay, so the crazy mad soldering is going to begin again. So let me give you a little tour of what I've set up here. I have already put this bezel on up here on the top of this. This is for the little ruby up here. It's a little round ruby. This is for the cabochon labradorite. The piece is now, it's actually upside down. So we're looking at the back of it. And then here is the uterus thing. I love that it kind of looks like that. And the white that you see is white out. And it's put in there to block the solder from flowing on all of these other little components down here. And then this is my little handy dandy broken drill bit that's helping kind of prop this up properly. Actually, what's holding it up properly before it all flows is this little ball of solder, because it's really stuck to the bezel, and so it's making it all line up properly. But if that flows and I haven't gotten this yet, it's going to go all off center, and then I'm going to scream. So there's 3 little balls of solder, and it took days to get those in place. But so the goal is to make sure that the heat is like, this doesn't get hotter than the bezel. We need to get the heat exactly the same temperature right at where this bezel and this jump ring are going to be meeting at each one of these. And because this is so much smaller, it's likely to get hotter faster. So the challenge is to keep this, the heat, actually I'm going to kind of pull it from this back side and see how that works. And see if it can get flowed onto this guy without messing up this guy. I don't know why I like this so much. This is the part that's so tricky. But goodness, I in fact even have my torch in my left hand. I'm so crazy. So I don't know. The torch, here it is. This is, it's not even a mini, because I don't think that's going to work with the, you can see, well, you can't because I have it so close up, but the torch is up here, is this way. Here it is. So I'm actually trying to heat that inside of the bezel so that the solder flows there, and then it will go on to the jump rings pretty much automatically. Ooh, yes, that one got done. Ah! Yay. Okay, we're getting closer. This one's got to go down a little bit. You all got to go down a little bit. So you see, I have to constantly watch this thing over here, because you see how orange it's getting? That's scary. It could ball up and go away. I think I got it, but it's crooked. I think I got it better now. Okay, but the one thing that did not get soldered, maybe it did. Should we see? Get this out of the way. Is this gross? You see how gross jewelry looks when you're making it? Holy crap. Okay, this is the one that I didn't know that did. And it did. Yay, me. Holy God. Okay, so now I have to just do one whole other. I have the other uterus made. No. But it's just getting, yeah, it's getting it on there. But okay, I'm going to put this in the pickle, and then you're going to see how pretty this looks.